Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, my group mates and I would like to present to you our chosen algorithm, which is named ECDSA SHA-384. Before that, I would like to introduce myself and other fellow presentation partners. We are students from a computer science software development course of the first year. My name is Nuramni binti Amir hamzah with metric number 068010. In the slideshow, I along with 5 other members of my group will present the given title. For the introduction, I will explain the meaning of ECDSA and also some functions of the algorithm. Elliptic Curve Digital Signature Algorithm, or ECDSA, is one of the more complex public key cryptographic inscription algorithm. So, what is ECDSA? ECDSA does the same thing as any other digital signing signature, but more efficiently. This is due to ECDSA use of smaller keys to creating the same level of security as any other digital signature algorithm. ECDSA is used to create ECDSA certificates, which is a type of electronic document used for authentication of the owner of the certificate. So, we move to the benefit of ECDSA. A benefit to using ECDSA over other public key cryptography is how new ECDSA is. ECDSA was standardized in 2005 compared to the most common public key cryptography algorithm used, RSA, which was standardized in 1995. Since ECDSA has been around for such a shorter period of time, hackers had less time to learn how to crack ECDSA. This, along with ECDSA complexity, makes switching to ECDSA look like a more desirable option each year. These benefits are why newer protocol choose to use ECDSA over RSA for public key cryptography functions. This is due to the length of time RSA has been around, among other reasons. Though attackers have had more time to crack RSA, it is still the tried and true method used all across the internet for digital signing. SSL, TLS, transport, and more. A drawback of ECDSA is that it's a complex to implement, whereas RSA is more easily set up in comparison. So, we move to the last one about where can ECDSA be implemented. ECDSA does not just need to be used in signing of certificates, it can be used anyway. RSA has been with the same effect in the end. Public key cryptography methods are found in everywhere from TLS or SSL to code signing. The government used ECDSA to protect internet communication. There are just a few of uses ECDSA can be used for, but all crypto systems face an issue with the emergence of quantum computing. Quantum computing threatens to make all classic crypto systems from AES to RSA to ECDSA obsolete. The method used in quantum computing means previously strong methods like ECDSA will need to update to use quantum cryptography or become obsolete.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is solehah binti zamri. My metric number is 067786. Today, I will present about workflow of the algorithm SHA-384. First, I will introduce you about what is SHA-384. SHA-384 belongs to the SHA-2 family of cryptographic hashes. It produces the 384-bit digest of a message. SHA-384 is roughly 50% faster than SHA-224 and SHA-256 on 64-bit machine, even if its digest is longer. Okay, now let's talk about how SHA-384 algorithm perform. Step how SHA-384 algorithm perform pre-processing and how the hash value is calculated by using the padding, parsing and compressing function according to first padding the message, second is parsing the message, and third is setting the initial hash value. This diagram depicts an overview of the SHA-384 algorithm flow. At the beginning, the message is divided into n blocks, each of which is comprised of 1024 bits. The initial hash value, HO, is assigned at first before any operation. After the initialization process, the successive hash value are computed sequentially, one block at a time, such that every calculated hash value is transferred to the next block. Lastly, the final hash code of the message is determined after the computation of the end message block and set as the final output.
Hi, my name is Nureen Arisha binti halizam. My matric number is 067813. Summary of Business Nature Oracle. History of Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation is one of the world's largest database management company. It supplies of database management systems, software, and independent software in the world. In 1977 to 1979, Oracle Corporation, known as Software Development Laboratories, Larry Ellison, Bob Miner, and Ed Oz was create this company at Santa Clara, California. The first version of Oracle was never officially released, and the implementation separated Oracle code from user code. In 1979, this company renamed from Software Development Laboratories to Relational System Inc. or RSI. After that, they moved to Menlo Park, California. The next year, RSI released the first commercial SQL RDBMS, and also known as Relational Database Management System. Next, the second version of the Oracle database, or we can label it as the first version of Oracle database software, which ran on PDP-11 hardware. The PDP-11 hardware is a line of 16-bit minicomputer manufactured by Digital Equipment Corporation (DEC). This 16-bit minicomputer was created between 1970 to 1990 and is still in use till today. After that, Umar Gupta joined Relational Systems Inc. in 1981, prepared their business strategy, and joined the same team as vice president and general manager. To build connection themselves with their major product, RSI renamed the firm to Oracle System Corporation in 1982. Soon later, in October 1984, Oracle's fourth version was launched, enabling read consistency, the first of its kind. UNIS-based Oracle applications were debuted in 1987, and a year later, Oracle version 6 was released with hot backup and incorporated PL/SQL producer engine within the database and row-level locking capabilities. On June 1, 1995, Oracle System Corporation and Oracle Corporation announced a merge. Oracle System Corporation changed its name to Oracle Corporation, which is now officially known as Oracle, but is also known as a holding company name till this day.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Puteri fidayu binti fariz with matric number 068132. Today, I want to talk about what is Oracle in the summary of business nature. Oracle is a computer technology corporation best known for its software products and services like Java. Its database is also known as simply Oracle also. It is a multi-model relational database management system mainly designed for enterprise-grade computing and data warehousing. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation that provides a relational database management system. Next, I will talk about Oracle services. The first services Oracle offers is Oracle Consulting. Oracle Consulting is an expert with deep know-how and proven expertise in leading in Oracle Cloud. Consulting services that has been provided by the Oracle. First, Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) service, with second, Human Capital Management (HCM) service. Third, Customer Experience Management (CXM) service, and lastly, Cloud and Technology Consulting. Second service Oracle offers is Oracle Financing. Oracle Financing provides flexibility, which offers a flexible way to meet the changing priorities when the IT budgets, cash flow positions, and business demands evolve over time. Second, Oracle financing provides choice. Oracle lets the customer to choose what is suitable for the business with an extensive choice of payment solutions that will put controls by let be upgraded exactly when it is necessary. The third services Oracle offers is Oracle Premier Supports. Oracle Premier Supports provides an essential software update, especially with proactive support tools and 24/7 service such as existing support customers and maximizing the investment with support tools. The fourth services Oracle offers is Cloud Customer Success. In Cloud Customer Success, there are always upcoming webinars from the live events that can be opened through Oracle Cloud applications. The resources for your cloud journey were Oracle equipped with the tools of onboarding and planning essentials, Cloud Customer Connect, Webinar Replays, Oracle MyLearn, My Oracle Support, and Oracle Cloud Documentation. Next, we have Oracle University. Oracle University offers to build cloud proficiency on Oracle Cloud infrastructure for free by learning with their OCI occupied by expert and leading digital training. Oracle University also provides a free course and learning path and also paid digital course and learning path. HCM is one of the popular courses has been to subscribe by the customer. Oracle University also conducted a private training and specific the course content and agenda tailored to the specific priorities which can be performed at a particular location or in a private virtual setting. Last, Oracle Services offer Advanced Customer Services. Advanced Customer Services offer services that fit the unique business needs, such as targeted services, jointly managed services, fully managed services. Or Advanced Customer Services also provide the solution which is cloud, SaaS, software as a service, and security. Advanced Customer Services supporting the products using the applications, cloud, database, and engineered systems.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ayunie binti kasimil with matric number 067795. I will talk about advantages of the algorithm from the point of view of business nature. First, we have lower risk. It is mathematically challenging to crack an easy VSA code, although hackers will certainly try to do so. It is because, compared to RSA, easy VSA has been found to be more secure against current methods of cracking thanks to its complexity. Second, we have faster load times. Website aims to load pages within about a half second. Assuming keys at times, its VSA keys are small, which means they can speed up the site.
Assalamualaikum. My name is aqilah binti Musa. My matric number is 067737. So I will be present about disadvantage of the algorithm from the point of view of business nature. First, ECDSA is more complex and more difficult to implement. It is because ECDSA constructs elliptical curve and an underlying function that's known as a trapdoor function. Second, ECDSA is a newer algorithm. ECDSA doesn't have many aspects as other cryptography, as it is standardized in 2005 compared to RSA, which was standardized in 1995. Last, ECDSA has some pattern problem, especially for binary curves. It might be costly.